Everybody ready? Yeah! Good job, man. Go. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Going to Run Club really has changed my life.
Good morning. It's time to go to Run Club. Hey, Maverick, do you want to go for a run?
As soon as I start to put my shoes on, that's when he loses all patience. He's like, we have to go. I cannot wait any longer. Maverick is a running fiend.
Are you ready?
I moved to Florida in October of 2022. Not knowing a single person, I hadn't truly found my people yet. We just started to go every week, and Mav, he really started to make himself known. They welcome him with open arms. Everybody knows his name. As soon as the leader of our Run Club grabs his megaphone and starts getting people in the huddle, that's when we start to get feral. He just cannot control himself at Run Club. He forgets all of his manners. We are absolutely sending it at every Run Club, on every run, and having the time of our life.
How many crew, you ready to roll? Maverick's ready. All right, ready. Are you marked? Get set, go!
Mav is the greatest little wingman because I'm nervous to go up and meet people. And so I have Mav who's just running up to everybody. He's like, hey, you're here for me. Hi. He is like the epitome of main character energy at Run Club because he's just smiling ear to ear.
Are you ready?
Every time we go out to run, it's like he's never run before. It is the greatest day of his life. He and I are this dynamic running duo. I don't associate running without Maverick. Like, he has to be involved. I never would have imagined my life would look like it does now.
Should we go to Run Club? Should we go see all of our friends?
We have really found our people there. Being able to go for a run with my dog is just like the ultimate therapy for me, and just getting to watch him be so present in the moment allows me to also focus on just being present, focusing on my breath. He really is my soul dog. The fact that we share such a special bond over running makes it so much more magical and special.